Alright guys, for this video I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram bot and link with Message2u. And first of all, we are going to Telegram, and now in the search bar here we are going to insert BotFather. After that, select BotFather. In the text box here you are going to insert / and then select new bot, / new bot. And now system is asking you to give a name for the bot. Example, Message2u training, right? And then we hit enter. And now we just copy this exactly the same name you have just entered. Now we are going to put underscore bot at the end of the name and then hit enter. And now you will see there is the API key is ready for you to copy. Now we just click on the API key. You will see text copy to clipboard. Now the key is ready. Let's come back to Message2u, and you will see there is an option is called Telegram channel. Click on this. Now just click on add new Telegram bot and right click, select paste. The key is ready, and now we just click on add button. And you will see the Telegram bot is ready. The next step, we are going to connect the Telegram bot into our Omni channel. Let's go to Omni channel, and now you will see Telegram there is not connected yet. Now we just click on the link button. Now you will see the Telegram bot we have created just now is ready to select. Click on that and then insert link and click yes, confirm. Now you will see Telegram bot is connected to your Omni channel.